is a modern contemporary style of chimney and fireplace construction. It's suitable for wood burners internally. It's fully functional as it is, with the exception of a stainless steel pot that would be inserted up the length of the chimney stack to the flue, otherwise known as the terminal. It's very strong structurally, as you can see. Father Christmas here hanging from the top, seeing if he can get down there. The only thing I wouldn't recommend Santa is hanging off the flue or the chimney pot.